Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best power tool combo kits that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Power Tool Combo Kits. Power tool combination kits can provide great value if you know you want a big tool kit and you don't want to spend the time and money of building it up piece by piece. Plus, when you need multiple cordless power tools, it's always best to stick with the same battery platform, and a combo kit gets you set up right out of the gate. Choose a tool combo kit based on the tools. Number 5. Bosch Power Tools Combo Kit. A powerful 12-volt drill driver with up to 1,300 RPM and a 12-volt driver with up to 2,600 RPM. The PS31-2A drill driver is ideal for easy handling in overhead operations. Main features: easy to handle, lightweight design, high performance. Number 4. Makita XT800 1x1 18-volt cell XT Lithium-Ion Cordless 8PC Combo Kit. The Makita 18-volt cell XT compact cordless half-driver drill delivers power, performance and superior ergonomics. Main features: compact design, wide applications, weighs only 3.9 pounds. Number 3. Makita CT225/6 18-volt cell XT Lithium-Ion compact cordless 2PC combo kit is built for the pro user who demands best-in-class lithium-ion cordless tools for drilling. Main features: weighs only 2.8 pounds, only 5 to 3/8 inches long, ergonomically designed handles. Number 2. DEWALT 20 volts Max XR Cordless Drill Combo Kit. The DEWALT DCK283D2 20 volts Max XR 5.0 A Premium Cordless Hammer Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. Main features: maximum initial battery voltage, lightweight design, high performance. Number 1. DEWALT 20 volts Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. Increased visibility. The DCF885 built-in LED with 20 seconds delay after trigger release. The DCF885 has a 1/4 inches hex chuck. Main features: high performance motor, ergonomic design, accepts 1 inches bit tips. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.